It's another picture of the forest state. Forest development set fire. It's a threat to wild animals like snake, frog, grasshopper, birds, beast, mongoose, wild rooster and hen. The department is blind. Who are doing this? Who are setting fire? Who are occurring soil erosion? What for this fire setting? To kill snake? So that the plunders can enter into the forest and snatch wood cutting calously. Forest is almost empty here in this area. What for the recruitment of the forest guards? They are not watching. You watch what it is. They're setting fire. Are you feeling good? This is the condition of forest. Always keep forest. Should be the motto of the state, this green state. This is the act of plunders. The plunders. Cruel joke to the forest. Before the last damage is done, take initiative soon. I am a wanderer. Who is today forest ferari? To show what is going on. Undercover, so the lovers of the nature spread the video I have made for the forest to save the mongoos, to save the langoors, to save the animals and birds, many in numbers. It's a video to make hour to the citizen who watches only the greenery, but not the burned impact of this lovely forest.